A naval speedboat conducting engine trials collided with the passenger ferry Nilkamal on Wednesday. The ferry was carrying over 100 passengers from the Gateway of India to Elephanta Islands. The crash occurred approximately 10 kilometers from the gateway and led to the deaths of 13 people. The collision caused the ferry to capsize. The disaster occurred around 5:15 p.m., said the BMC Disaster Control. However, what caused the collision? Official sources said an Indian Navy rigid inflatable boat undergoing engine trials crashed into the Nilkamal at high speed, overturning it and throwing most of the tourists into the Arabian Sea near Uran, Karanja, about 10 kilometers from Gateway of India. The ferry Nilkamal likely broke down from the impact, overturned and started sinking with passengers thrown into the sea. Videos taken by passengers from other ferries showed horrifying scenes of people screaming for help, struggling to stay afloat, or trying to save their loved ones in the cold waters. Upon receiving multiple SOS calls, a massive rescue operation was launched by the Indian Navy, 4 helicopters, 15 vessels, including Marine Police, Indian Coast Guard, Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority, and local fishermen, along with other ferry boats to save the victims. By 9 p.m., authorities confirmed 13 deaths, with several being critically injured, who were rushed to different hospitals. Over 100 other tourists were reported to be in stable condition, while the search continued for 5 others still suspected to be missing. Till the last reports came in, only 2 tourists were missing. It was unclear whether the ill-fated Nilkamal was carrying passengers within the stipulated load and had safety norms. Meanwhile, Indian Navy is likely to order a probe into the deadly collision that left behind many casualties.